Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Toyota Sienna hybrid battery. Your Sienna's hybrid battery is designed to charge itself automatically as you drive, so you never need to plug it in. This clever system uses two primary methods to keep the battery topped up: regenerative braking and power generated by the gasoline engine. It's a seamless process, ensuring your vehicle is always ready to go without any external charging effort from you. Regenerative braking is a smart feature that captures energy during deceleration. When you lift your foot off the accelerator or press the brake pedal, the electric motors reverse their function. Instead of consuming power, they act as generators, converting the vehicle's kinetic energy into electricity. This electricity is then efficiently routed back to the hybrid battery, storing it for future use. This not only recharges the battery, but also helps improve your fuel economy. Beyond regenerative braking, your Sienna's gasoline engine also plays a vital role in keeping the hybrid battery charged. When the battery's charge level drops below a certain point, or under specific driving demands, the engine will engage to power a generator. This generator then produces electricity, which is sent directly to the hybrid battery. This intelligent system ensures that your battery always has sufficient power, optimizing both performance and efficiency. To summarize, your Toyota Sienna hybrid battery is a self-sufficient system, constantly recharging through regenerative braking and the gasoline engine. You never need to worry about plugging it in. Simply driving your vehicle regularly and utilizing its braking system naturally keeps the battery optimized. For long-term health, always adhere to your owner's manual's recommended maintenance schedule. This ensures your hybrid system continues to operate efficiently for many years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.